Namaste, welcome to sisrekhaskitchen.com. Today I am making stir-fried asparagus. The Indian names for asparagus are Satavari or Satamuli, which means it can cure 100 diseases. Just because it is very nutrient rich. It has more fiber and other nutrients in it. It's an easy vegetable to cook. Today we will make a simple asparagus stir fry with garlic and green chilli. It is easy to cook and tasty. First of all, wash the asparagus thoroughly and cut the ends just about half an inch or 1 inch. Remove only the hard portion of the stem. I already cut the ends for all these stems. It is all soft portion. I can even eat it raw. Let's make the stir fry. Take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or any other oil in your pan which is on medium heat. Take some chopped garlic and green chilli and add them to coconut oil. Stir fry them for a minute. Now add the asparagus to the pan and stir them well. Okay, it is hard to fry. Let's cut them. So I went ahead and cut them into pieces. All you need to do is just break them into 2 pieces. Now they are easy to fry. Add a pinch of sea salt. You don't have to add a lot of salt in this. You don't have to even use a lot of spices also because it has its own taste. Stir it once, cover it and cook for 4 minutes. It has been 4 minutes. Let us check the asparagus. It smells good and it cooked enough. We don't need to cook this for too long. Most of our Indian curries are cooked for too long. But this one you don't have to cook, just stir fry them. Leave it crunchy. Add some black pepper powder to make it spicy. Stir it once and switch off the flame. Transfer this into your serving plate.